Learn about the greatest works of literature, and the lives of those who wrote them in the literature book. Part of the fascinating Big Ideas series, this book tackles tricky topics and themes in a simple and easy-to-follow format. Learn about literature in this overview guide to the subject. Great for beginners looking to learn and experts wishing to refresh their knowledge alike. The literature book brings a fresh and vibrant take on the topic through eye-catching graphics and diagrams to immerse yourself in. The literature book is the perfect introduction to masterpieces from the world's greatest authors, aimed at adults with an interest in the subject, and literature students wanting to gain more of an overview. Here you'll discover more than 100 articles exploring landmark novels, short stories, plays, and poetry that reinvented the art of writing in their time. From the Iliad to the Great Gatsby, embark on a fascinating, graphic-led journey through the greatest works of poetry and prose. If you thought it was difficult to learn about the fictional masterpieces of our time and the literary geniuses behind them, the literature book presents key information in an easy-to-follow layout. From modernism to Shakespearean, realism to romanticism, discover the literary movements through fantastic mind maps and step-by-step summaries. Find the link below and buy the book now.